How to fix Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac not updating due to errors, -10737411824, -100, -5, 2, 3. If you encounter the errors, -10737411824, -100, -5, 2, or 3, proceed with the steps below. Note, these steps are available only for Mac OS Yosemite 10.10 or later. If you have an older version of antivirus for Mac, upgrade to the latest version. The installation steps of the latest version are available here. If you already have the latest version of antivirus for Mac, you will have to reinstall the product. In order to reinstall Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac, you will have to 1. Uninstall Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac by following these steps. 2. Restart your Mac in Safe Boot using the instructions provided here. 3. After this, simply restart your Mac without pressing anything else and it will, by default, start in. 4. Reinstall Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac from your central account. Instructions on how to do this are available here. 5. Perform a manual update, open the main interface and press the Command and U keys on your keyboard.